This is an historical moment, and therefore, with your permission and honorable members, Mr. Speaker, allow me to proceed to give notice of the following motion. Mr. Speaker, sir, honorable members, I beg to give notice of the following special motion as follows.
Mwengi Mutuse mbunge wa Kibwezi ya Ithũĩro agĩtemania ndereti ya kũhagũra mũnini wa president Rigathĩ Gachagua augĩte ndarĩ na ũru na mũnini wa president no agathiĩ na mbere na gũtetera itũmi cia kũmũhagũra mbere ya mbunge.
Mr. Speaker, in compliance with the law as stated earlier, the grounds are concise, precise, are particularized in the motion, and this is a motion, and are supported by cogent, convincing, persuasive, evidentiary material in the nature of documents.
Amwe ya atongoria makĩũria mathererio mĩtaratara na mawatho na nĩ kũringana na gatiba ũrĩa mũtaratara ũyũ gũtwarithio, aingĩ makiuga ũgitĩri wao ũrĩ hatĩka-inĩ na nĩ thutha wa kũnyita mbaru mũtaratara ũyũ.
This is unprecedented. In as much as it happened years back, this is very new, post 2010 constitution, and we will need a bit of some guidance.
Speaker, I wanted to get your assurance as the boss of this house, as the leader of this house, as the speaker of this house, Mr. Speaker, that the 291 members of parliament who have signed to this motion, Mr. Speaker, their safety and security will be guaranteed, Mr. Speaker.
Not only do we have to protect the lives of 291 members of parliament who have appended their signature there, we must also protect the system. The IG must protect our president to the hilt.
Mũtongoria wa arĩa aingĩ na ũmwe wa atongoria arĩa makoretwo magĩikanĩria ciugo na mũnini wa president Kimani wa Ichung'wa mwena wake agĩkindĩra bata wa ũgitĩri wa ambunge nĩ ũndũ wa kũnyita mbaru mũtaratara ũyũ.
We have been told by certain quarters that before March of 2025 they say bendera itapepea mlingoti nusu. Honorable Speaker, these are weighty issues.
Take the nearest seat.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gĩchimo Joseph.